Welcome to Suresh Bhatt classes. We are solving question on quantitative aptitude topic numbers. Please watch all my videos on quantitative aptitude topics. These videos are useful for all entrance exams and job interviews like bank PO, railways, SSC, CGL and all such exams. These videos are extremely useful for all entrance exams like GRE, SAT, ACT, CAT, GMAT, etc. We are solving questions on divisibility rule. Now we go to concepts of divisibility rule for 7, 11 and 13. The first tip is Part A. Any number 7, 5, 3, 2, 3, 1. This is a 6-digit number. We make pairs of 3 digits. And these pairs are 2, 3, 1 and 7, 5, 3. And take difference, that is 7, 5, 3 minus 2, 3, 1 equal to 522, or if we take 231 or 231 first, then 231 minus 753 equal to minus 522. If this number is divisible by 7, 11 or 13, then the number 753231 is divisible by 7, 11 or 13. Now what we should do if the number is of not 6 digit or the number which cannot be splitted into 3 pair, then what should we do? We go to part B to understand this difficulty. If you are unable to make 3 pair, then you add zeros to extreme left of the number. For example, if the number is 52347, this is a 5-digit number, can be written as 052347 and make pairs 347 and 052. Another example is 825 73234 can be written as 000 082 573 234. Now we can take the difference 234 minus 573. This is equal to minus 339, and 082, the another set, 082 minus 000 equal to 082. Now if these two differences, minus 339 and 082, and we take the sum of it, that is, now if the sum of these two numbers, minus 339 plus 082, this comes out to be equal to minus 257. If this number is divisible by 7, 11 or 13, then the given number is divisible by 7, 11 or 13. Concept 2, Part A, ABC, ABC. Such numbers are always divisible by 7, 11 and 13. Hence, it is also divisible by 7 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 13 equal to 1001. Examples of such numbers: 213, 213. That is, the number is repeated in 3 pairs. 213, 213. 572, 572. 543, 543. All such numbers are divisible by 7, 11, 13 and 1001. Part B, these types of numbers ABC equal to ABC multiplied by 1001, and the numbers of type AB like 5252 or 3636 or 2525 are equal to AB multiplied by 101. It means that these types of numbers are always divisible by 101. Part D, AB equal to AB multiplied by 10101. Remember, 10101 has factors 3, 7, 13, 37. That is 10101 equal to 3 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 13 multiplied by 37. This means that the number AB, for example, 252525 or 626262, these numbers are always divisible by 3, 7, 13, 37 and 10101 or 10,101. Part 3, if a digit is repeated for 6 times, 12 times, 18 times, that is multiple of 6 times, then the number so formed is divisible by 3, 7, 11, 13 and 37. Example, the numbers like 444, 444, 555, 555, where the 4 is repeated for 6 times, 5 is repeated for 6 times, or 888, 888, 888, 888, where the digit 8 is repeated for 12 times, where a digit is repeated for multiple of 6 times, that is 6 and 12 or multiple of 6 times. If this had been repeated for 18 times or 24 times, then these are divisible by 3, 7, 11, 13 and 37. Now we go to the questions based on these concepts. Our question is, if the number 7448 31A 880 651 is divisible by 13, find the value of A. The given options are option A 8, option B 5, option C 9, option D 7. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. We write the given number 7448 31A 880 651. If we divide this number by 13 and then find the value of A, it will be very difficult and will be time consuming. So we use the concept of divisibility rule of 7, 11 and 13, in which we make the set of 3 digits. So this is these 3 digits. 651 is one set, 880 is set number 2, 31A is set number 3, 448 is set number 4 and 7 is a single digit. So what we do, we put 00 before this and we make it as set 5. But these sets are not in pairs. So we have to make one more set of 000 and this is set 6. Now every 1 and 2 will be one pair, 3 and 4 will be one pair, and 5 and 6 will be another pair, and we subtract these pairs as I am doing it here. You just watch it. 1 minus 2, this is equal to 651 minus 880. This is equal to minus 229. This subtraction we should do in one direction. Here we are subtracting 2 from 1. Then next will be 4 from 3 and 6 from 5. This can be done otherwise also. 1 from 2, 3 from 4 and 5 from 6. Now 3 minus 4. This is equal to 31a minus 448 is minus 138 plus a. What we should write? 31a should be written as 310 plus a, and we subtract 448 from 310 and then we write plus a. So on subtracting 448 from 310, we get minus 138 plus a, and 5 minus 6 is equal to 007 minus 000 is equal to 7. Now we have to add all these differences, and on adding we get 9 plus 8 is 17 minus 7 is 0, and 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 3 is 6, as 17 minus 7 was 0 and we were having balance 10, and for tens place it is 1, so 3 plus 3 is 6, and 2 plus 1 is 3, and this is minus plus a. And if we had subtracted 1 from 2, 3 from 4 and 5 from 6, then we would have got it as plus 360 minus a. We can do any way. Now we take it as plus 360 minus a. Now this number is divisible by 13. It means that if 360 minus a is divisible by 13, then the whole number is divisible by 13. So we divide 360 by 13. 13 times 2 is 26. Balance is 10. We carry 0. 13 times 7 is 91. Balance is 9. This gives, if we subtract 9 from 360, the number will be divisible by 13, but we have minus a as well. It means that 9 minus a should be equal to 0, so that there will not be any remainder. This gives a equal to 9. This is the way we can find the value of a by using this method of subtracting, making the digits in the set of 3 pairs. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of question. And from the given options, our answer is option C, 9. We go to the next question. Our question is, the number 107268 is divisible by option A 17, option B 11, option C 13, option D 7. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. We first write the number. Number is 107268. Now we make the set of 3 digits and we take the difference of these two sets. 268 minus 107, and on subtracting we get 161. 8 minus 7 is 1, 6 as it is, and 2 minus 1 is 1. So this is 161. If 161 is divisible by any of these number, then the whole number is divisible by that number. If we divide 161 by 17, then 17 times 9 is 153, and then the remainder will be 8. So it is not divisible by 17. This is also not divisible by 11, as 11 times 1 is 11 and balance is 5. We carry 1. 51. 51 is not divisible by 11. If we divide it by 13, 13 times 1 is 13. 16 minus 13 is 3, and we carry 1, and the number becomes 31. And 31 is not divisible by 13. So only number left is 7. So we divide it by 7. 7 times 2 is 14, and balance is 2. We carry 1. The number becomes 21, and 7 times 3 is 21. So this number is divisible by 7. So our answer is option D, 7. I hope you have understood the method of making the pairs of 3 digits, and if their difference is divisible by 7, 11 or 13, then that number is divisible by 7, 11 or 13. Here this number is divisible by 7. So therefore our answer is option D, 7. We go to the next question. Our question is, the number 624182 is divisible by 11. Find the value of A. The given options are option A 6, option B 7, option C 5, option D 8. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. We write the number 624182 Now we make the set of 3 digits. This is 317 is first set, 182 is second set, and 624 is third set, and 000 we make a fourth set, so that we can make the pairs. This is one set, this is second set, this is third set, and this is fourth set. Set 1 minus set 2 is 317 minus 1A2. Here if we see that A is at tens place in 1A2, A is in tens place. So we can write this as 317 minus 102 plus 10A. If A is digit, then we have to multiply that digit by 10. And now we subtract it, and what we get? 7 minus 2 is 5, 1 minus 0 is 1, and 3 minus 1 is 2. So this is 215 minus 10A. Now we subtract set 3 minus set 4, and that is 624 minus 000 is 624. Now we add these two differences, and that is 624 plus 215 minus 10A. This is equal to 839 minus 10A. Now as here it is 10A, it means that in place of 3 some digit will be there, so that the value of A we can find. And as this is 10, It means that 839 must be subtracted by a number, two-digit number, which is having 0 at one's place. Please understand. 839 must be subtracted by a two-digit number where 0 is at one's place, and that number must be divisible by 11. So if we subtract 10 from 839, so this will become 829, and 829 is not divisible by 11. Similarly, if we subtract 20, then 819 is not divisible by 11. If we subtract 30, then it will be 809. That is also not divisible by 11. If we subtract 40, then the number will be 799. 799 is also not divisible by 11. If we subtract 50, then it will be 789. 789 is also not divisible by 11. If we subtract 60, then it will be 779. And 779, 11 times 7 is 77, and remainder will be 9. That is also not divisible by 11. If we subtract 70, then the number will be 769. And 769 is not divisible by 11. If we subtract 80 from 839, we get 759. And 759 is divisible by 11. We just check it. 839 minus 80 equal to 759. 11 times 6 is 66. We get 9. When 66 is subtracted from 75, we get 9. We carry 9, and 11 times 9 is 99. So 759 is divisible by 11. Thus 80 equal to 10a. This gives a equal to 8. And from the given options, our answer is option D, 8. I hope you have understood the method of solving it. Here a was at 10th place in 1a2. So we made it 10a. Now after doing all this process, we got the number 839 minus 10a. What we had to do, because it is 10a, so we had to subtract a two-digit number from 839 to make it divisible by 11. And that number was 80. And if we subtract 80 from 839, we get 759. And 759 is divisible by 11. So 80 equal to 10a and a equal to 8. This way we can find the value of a in the given number. We can solve this question by alternate method of taking the sum of the digits at even places and the sum of digits at odd places and taking their difference. So I will show you how to solve by that alternate method. We take the sum of the digits at odd places starting from left, and those digits are 6 plus 4 plus a plus 3 plus 7, and 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 3 is 13, plus 7 is 20. So the sum is 20 plus a. Now we take the sum of the digits at odd places starting from left. So this is 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1, and this is 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 1 is 6. Now we take the difference, and that difference must be equal to 0 or 11. 20 plus a minus 6 equal to 0 or 11. A plus 14 equal to 0 or 11. A equal to minus 14 or minus 3. Now a is minus 3 and a is a digit which cannot be minus 3. So what we do, we add 11 to it, and this comes out to be a equal to 8. I hope you have understood this step. The rule says that the sum of the digits at even places and the sum of the digit at odd places, their difference must be 0 or by any number which is divisible by 11. Here if we put it equal to 11, then a comes out to be 3. So we should put it as 22, and 22 minus 14 comes out to be 8. I am explaining it again. This is a plus 14 equal to 0 or any number which is divisible by 11. So we put it as 22. As if we shift 14 towards left hand side, this will become a equal to minus 14. If we take a plus 14 equal to 0, then a equal to minus 14. If we take a plus 14 equal to 11, then a will be equal to minus 3. And if we take a plus 14 equal to 22, then this will be a equal to minus 14 plus 22, as 22 is divisible by 11. So this gives a equal to 8, as a cannot be a negative digit, because digit cannot be negative in a number. I hope you have understood this all concept. And from the given options, our answer is option D, a equal to 8. Hope you have understood the method of solving this question by the two methods. We go to the next question. Our question is, the number 431 is divisible by option A 7 only, option B 11 only, option C 13 only, option D all 7, 11 and 13. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel, as this number is of the form ABC ABC. Therefore, this number is divisible by all the numbers 7, 11 and 13. Such numbers of the form ABC ABC are always divisible by 7, 11 and 13. Therefore, this number 431 is divisible by all the numbers 7, 11 and 13. Hence, our answer is option D, all 7, 11 and 13. For knowledge, I am writing this number 431. This can be written as 431,000 plus 431, and we can take out 431. So this will be 1000 plus 1, and this will become 431 multiplied by 1001. Now if 1001 is divisible by 7, then the whole number is divisible by 7. If this number is divisible by 11, then the whole number is divisible by 11. And if this number is divisible by 13, then whole number is divisible by 13. So for divisibility of 11, if we take the sum of digits at even and odd places and we take their difference, and if that difference is equal to 11 or 0, then number is divisible by 11. So 1 plus 0 is 1, and 0 plus 1 is 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So 1001 is divisible by 11. Now we divide 1001 by 7. 7 times 1 is 7, balance is 3. We carry 0, so it is 30. 7 times 4 is 28. 30 minus 28 is 2. We carry 1, so it becomes 21, and 7 times 3 is 21. So 1001 is divisible by 7. Now we divide 1001 by 13. 100 divided by 13 is 13 times 7 is 91. Balance is 9, and we carry 1. Again we get 91, and 7 times 13 is 91. So it is divisible by 13 as well. Therefore, the whole number 431431 or all such number which is of the form ABC are divisible by 7, 11 and 13. And from the given options, our answer is option D. I hope you have understood the method of solving this question, and I will advise you to remember these types of number ABC are always divisible by 7, 11 and 13. We go to the next question. Our question is the number 4343 is divisible by option A 97, option B 89, option C 131, option D 101. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. The answer of this question is option D 101. As in the concept part, any number of the form AB is divisible by 101. Now I will explain it by the given question itself. 4343 can be written as 4300 plus 43. And if we take out 43 common, then this will be 100 plus 1, and this is equal to 43 into 101. Therefore, this number is divisible by 101. And all such numbers which are of the form AB or 4343 or 2424 or 5757, all such numbers are divisible by 101. Hope you have understood the method of solving such question. And from the given options, our answer is option D 101. We go to the next question. Our question is the number 474747 is divisible by option A 3 and 7 only, option B 7 and 13 only, option C 13 and 37 only, option D all 3, 7, 13 and 37. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. The number 474747 is of the form AB, and all those numbers which are of the form AB are divisible by 3, 7, 13 and 37. So from the given options, our answer is option D, all 3, 7, 13 and 37. But for your knowledge, I will solve this question. 474747 can be written as 470000 plus 4700 plus 47. If we take 47 common, then the first number will be 1 and then 4 zeros, plus second number will be 1 and then 2 zeros, that is 100, and third number 47 will be 1 when 47 is taken common. Then this is equal to 47 into 10101, and this number 10101 is divisible by 3, 7, 13 and 37. We can just find out divisibility by 3. If we add the digits of 10101, then that sum comes out to be 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3, and 3 is divisible by 3. Now if we divide it by 7, then 10101, 7 times 1 is 7, and we subtract 7 from 10, we get 3, we carry 1, So it becomes 31. 7 times 4 is 28. Again we subtract 28 from 31, we get 3 and we carry 0. Then number is 30. 7 times 4 is 28. 28 when subtracted from 30 gives 2. We carry 1, so it becomes 21. And 7 times 3 is 21, so it is divisible by 7. Now divisibility by 13. 13 times 7 is 91. And we subtract 91 from 101, we get 10. We carry 0, so it becomes 100. 13 times 7 is 91. 100 minus 91 is 9. We carry 1, so it becomes 91, and 13 times 7 is 91. And 91 minus 91 is 0. So it is divisible by 13. And if we divide 10101 by 37, 37 times 2 is 74. 74 when subtracted from 101, we get 27 and we carry 0, so it becomes 270. And 270 when divided by 37, it divides it for 7 times, and 7 times 37 is 259. 270 minus 259 is 11. We carry 1, so it becomes 111. And 37 times 3 is 111. So 10101 is completely divisible by 37. Therefore, the number 474747 is divisible by 3, 7, 13 and 37. For divisibility by 37, we just divide it by 37. 37 times 2 is 74. On subtracting, we get 27. 74 from 101, we get 27. We carry 0. 37 times 7 is 259. The balance is 11. We carry 1. And 37 times 3 is 111. So this is divisible by 37. 10101 is divisible by 37. Therefore, the given number 474747 is divisible by all 3, 7, 13 and 37. And actually, this is equal to 10101 is equal to 3 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 13 multiplied by 37. Therefore, it is divisible by all 3, 7, 13 and 37. And from the given options, our answer is option D. You keep this in mind or memorize it. All such numbers of the form AB are divisible by 3, 7, 13 and 37. We go to the next question. Our question is, if a 6-digit number 896 ABC is divisible by 7, 11 and 13, then A multiplied by B upon C is equal to option A 12, option B 16, option C 8, option D 10. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. The given number is 896 ABC and this number is divisible by 7, 11 and 13. Then first we have to find the value of ABC. As we know that any number which is divisible by 7, 11 and 13 is of the form ABC, ABC. That is of the form ABC, ABC. It means that this number is 896896, which gives the value of A equal to 8, B equal to 9 and C equal to 6. And from these values we can easily find the value of A multiplied by B upon C. This is equal to 8 multiplied by 9 divided by 6. 8 times 9 is 72 upon 6 is 12. 72 when divided by 6 gives us 12. And from the given options, our answer is option A, 12. This we have to memorize that any number of the form ABC is divisible by 7, 11 and 13. Hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. Here completes this video. Please do lot of practice from different books to become expert in solving all the questions of quantitative aptitude topics. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Thanks for watching.